Hey there. I got it working. And I'm gonna show you in a moment what I have done. Last time I tried to... What did I try? I tried to replace the entry point. Like the... inside of the Windows PE header, there's a virtual address that points to a program's entry point. And we tried to replace that with a custom location where our shellcode would be stored, but that totally didn't work out. I replaced it, but like Windows didn't use my entry point, which leads me to believe that the entry point is already loaded earlier in the create process call. So what I figured out instead, which is actually a mystery to me, why this even works, is that if we try to overwrite the entry point at an earlier point, it does not get overwritten again. What I mean by that is if we override the entry point code, like write some shellcode into the location where the entry point of the program is, then later on Windows will overwrite my overriding with the original code. And I'm guessing, I'm just assuming because I have no idea, that this is because very early on it copies the current state of the entry point, it overwrites it itself for whatever reason, and then later on it will restore the entry point to its original state. So if we write something in there after Windows has remembered the original state, which is not original anymore, it will restore it to its original state, which was before we modified it. It's hard to explain, but basically now we can overwrite the entry point and it works. And actually I should get some music going. What's it called? Dude, spelling is fucking hard. I think I found it. Yes, this is the one. I think I should be able to play this without getting claimed, as it is already on YouTube. Yeah, it should be fine. Alright. Now to explain what I did, basically I just replaced our... where is it? Instead of calling set image load notify, we are now calling set create process notify, which is called like way earlier, and nothing is loaded except the original process segment, like the exe file. And this will cause some problems because when we overwrite the entry point, we don't know what DLLs are loaded, so we don't know if it's a native process or not. We don't know if it loads kernel 32, And why is that a problem? It is because we don't, or I'm not interested in hooking native processes, because I would have to write code without kernel 32, and that's just super annoying. Maybe I will implement that sometime in the future, but for now, this is good. And first of all, I will try to put the code back into its original state. Like, I'd like to catch up back to where we were when we used the unimage load. And I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this whole thing into the place I actually would want it to be. Just over here in this file. Of course we will have to add those functions to the header. Actually, only one of them, this one. Because that's the callback that we will assign to inside our main function. Yeah, we can now delete this because, well, that's what I did. Override entry point here, I don't know, man. That's a whole mood. Sweet, we registered callback. And now I'm just gonna open handler twice. Can I do that? Of course I can't. God damn it. That's stupid. Whatever. Who needs panels anyway? So yeah, okay. I'm just gonna do 32-bit processes for now, and then when we're done, I'm gonna do 64 as well. So I'm getting the p process, got image name. We open the handle to the process. We get the entry point. We don't override it because it's irrelevant. Those logs are not needed anymore. They're just a waste. Failed. Then I do random mem set just for testing. What did I do here? Restoration of the original, I suppose. So what do we need to do? We need to first overwrite the entry point with the jump to my function. And actually I'm gonna do it properly this time, which means that I will be disassembling the entry point to figure out the instruction boundaries. What this means is, let me quickly show you. So when you implement hooking, you have to, let's say, you want to replace this call instruction with the jump instruction, and let's say your arbitrary jump takes, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say it takes 4 bytes, okay, which is not true, but let's say it does, for the sake of the argument. If we would replace the first 4 instructions here, let me just simulate this. Mop. As you can see, I just overrode 1 instruction. And yeah, let's just say our hook would take 1 instruction, whatever. So I overrode it, and as you can see, the next few bytes are completely fucked. This is all meaningless, and the code is broken. So if we were to jump to my hooking code and then jump back, we would jump back into the garbage and it would just crash. So what we need to do instead is figure out how long the instructions are. Let's say I can see here it's 5 bytes. So how do we override this? We would do fill with knobs, so we would find out, okay, this is 5 bytes, which means I have to use up all 5 bytes. And as you can see, the next instruction is not destroyed. So I would see how many bytes the instructions are taking. Then I would copy the original instructions, the whole instructions, not just a part of the bytes, and then replace the instructions with my jump. Then execute my code, execute the original code we've just overwritten, and jump back. That's the plan. Alright. First, we gotta allocate some memory. This is going to, let's just say page read write. I don't know. DP doesn't like it when you do read write execute, and maybe in the future that's going to be a problem, so just being cautious. And here we do read. No, we actually don't. We do alt protection. Why the what did I do? Oh, that's why it's commented out. That's where I replaced, or tried to replace the entry point, and it didn't work, so... no, what we need to do instead is restore. This is what we need to restore the original state, so it's executable again. Copied a little bit too much, and in here we're going to write to the entry point, we're going to place the hook. Placed entry point. But first we're going to allocate some memory. I've already done all this in 64-bit, so what I'm doing is just copying the old code. Write the variables too, and we can do this outside of the attach process. There's no point in doing it inside of there. Yes, read write. And then we write to it, and then we're going to set it to read execute, which is something I will need to copy to. Shellcode protection. Here we go. Now it's executable. And brain lag. What's the next step? Next step is writing the hook function. So I'm gonna move this here, and I'm gonna open hook CPP. Oh, and I already made hook 32. That's what we're gonna need, and also we need a little library called zydi. I've done this before, that's why I know what to do on top of my head. Zydi disassembler. The reason I'm using this disassembler is because it has 0 dependencies and is fully working in kernel mode, which is where we are. It's also not using allocate, which is also what we need. And I've already installed this with what's it called? VC package. Just say VC package install zydi, and once you've done that, you can very easily say clone zydi. And what we need is just zydi. Hey, what up? The fuck is that emote? So, first task is to figure out how the fuck to use zydi, because I have completely forgotten. I think we need, yes, we need a decoder first, and we don't need the formatter, because we don't need to print or format anything, just find out the instruction size. You know what? Yoink. Because why write things yourself? Oh shit. Yeah, I remember. The documentation is actually outdated. Address width 32, and we need machine mode actually 32 as well. Fucking excuse me. Oh yeah, it's not long. Of course, long means 64-bit. We are in protected 32, I think. Protected. Actually, I'm just gonna look up what the options are. Complete documentation. Oh yeah, this is actually up to date, so I'm gonna yoink this instead. But we'll still need to change this, and of course the machine mode. And let's find out what the machine modes are. So we have 32-bit protected and 32-bit protected. For this, because we are compiling the driver for 64-bit, I'm gonna go with compat. I don't even know if that makes a difference. zydi machine mode compat. Why is it called long compat? Whatever, should be fun. We don't need this. Runtime address, we're probably going to change that. Length. Right, that's kind of irrelevant. That's just so zydi doesn't like accidentally read out of bounds. So we are going to need yeah, we could actually calculate the max size this is going to take, but that's completely overkill when we can just say 100. And checks if it was a success. Yeah, the macro is failing because I don't have data. Data plus offset, and data is actually was it func or target? I always forget this. How are we calling it? What's going on outside? The fuck? hope it's not too loud. Entry point, shellcode memory. So the first one is going to be the data, so to speak. So we have func, and we say func plus offset. Actually, what we're going to see is address offset, because I made a function for that. First is type, right? It's just a void pointer. Void, and we say func plus offset. There we go. Length minus offset, yeah, exactly. And instruction can go into the variable. It's just a pretty long line, but I guess that's okay. And then, while it's successful, we don't need to print anything, we don't need to format anything. The only thing we need is instruction.length. And of course, not the runtime address, but we actually need to increase func. Yeah, we can't just do that. Yeah, we could either dynamically, not dynamically, we can either manually reinterpret cast it, or I can just say instruction offset, no, not offset, length, and we say func equals, and then easy. And of course increase the offset. Why do we increase the offset? Does that make sense? The offset and the function? What? No, that doesn't make sense. But then why is it... What? Wait a second. Gotta understand this code. Hello? Can you let me scroll? Yes, thank you. Oh, I see. Does this matter? We don't give a shit, do we? Yeah, we don't. That's just for decoding relative instructions, like jump 1 would jump... No, not jump 1. Actually, yes, jump 1 would jump one byte like forward, and to decode what this next instruction would be, we need the runtime address. Whatever, I don't care. This is just a simulated rip. Do we pass this somewhere, or do we just... Oh, it's just for formatting. Got to. So actually what we need to do is... fuck all of this. We just say func, and we will do this. That's the easiest way to do it. We don't even need parentheses, fuck 'em. Cool. So we do this until... Shit, we actually need... we actually need parentheses. Because we have to check when to stop. decoder buffer length instruction. So well, I'm being a dummy. Fuck. Yeah, we need the offset. Address offset, void pointer, func offset, and we need an additional condition which is offset while the offset is less than 5. Because if it's not less than 5, it's 5 or more, so it's equal to or greater than 5, which is enough space to place the hook. And also we need the original offset so we can what do we need it for? Of course, so we know how much to copy. Yes. I mean, we could also do arithmetic with the original and the new address, I suppose. This is just a little bit easier. Here we go. This is all we need to do. How do I format this appropriately? Oops, not here, here. Jeez. Guess I could just do it like that. Although that's kinda... Oh, that is so cursed, I hate it. No. Why? Yeah. Fuck it. Just gonna have a long boy. Here you go. Beautiful. This is useless. Useless comments. They don't explain shit. So now we figured out how many bytes to copy, so what we're gonna do is actually copy those bytes into target? Yes. Yes, we do. We hook function to target. Hooks function to call target. Function to hook. This is no. Fuck. Where to jump to? Yeah, that's good enough. And I'm just gonna like plainly put it inside of the target and make like a fake data segment. So we say memset destination is target and the value is no, not memset. And copy destination target source func and count is offset. Yes. So when the offset reaches 5, then it breaks and we copy 5 bytes. Cool. Of course we need to say target is there an easy way to advance it? Oh shit. Nah, can't do that. Yeah. Target equals address offset void pointer target offset. Here we go. It's an easy way to advance it, I suppose. And that's the first thing. We copy original code and then overwrite original code. So now we're gonna place a jump to our thing, and that's, I think it's E9 and then address, top of my head, right bytes, func, of course, and then E9 for the jump itself, jump right, oh yeah, right, we need the address of func so it can advance the pointer, and we say write type, and we write a uint32 into func, and the uint is the relative distance between. Is that not a type? Here we go. Did I not type that? uint32. I must have misspelled. And the offset is relative, so we need the relative distance from target to function, which is, they are always guaranteed to be in the same address space, of course, because we are on 32-bit, so they must be at least how do I say this? They must be inside of the 32-bit address space, so they must be addressable by this int32. Or target minus func, I suppose. Do I need to apply some more arithmetic? We jump from current location, which is that after or before? I'm just gonna experiment. I made a macro for the situation relative to address relative to A1 is func, A2 is target, so func relative to target. Yeah, if it's wrong, that's okay too, because we can quickly see if it is right or wrong. And actually I don't even need... Yeah, I'm gonna have to remove the dependency on PE, whatever it's called, the PE parser, because I don't need it anymore. Possible loss of data. What are you returning? A size T. Oh yeah, because we are compiling for 64-bit. We have to say static cast uint 32. Do I keep misspelling this? Oh, come on. uint 32. I did not, in fact, misspell it. The syntax highlighting was just slow. Okay, this will be a safe cast on 32-bit. If we call this on 68, we're gonna have a problem. 64 I mean. And driver, loader... Oh no. Oh no. Well, that's a problem. Fuck. Excuse me. Do you mean? What? I'm in test mode. You don't need to validate the signature. Adding additional store. Okay. Successfully signed. Yeah, that's a good one, my dude. Because we can't just load arbitrary DLLs, we will have to link it statically. Oh, maybe that is because it depends on the DLL. Maybe that's why Windows is refusing. Yeah, that does make sense because, well, you can't just depend on something being signed and then allow arbitrary DLL loading when the DLL is not signed. Yeah, I see. Okay, so onto the static linking. There's some warning from VC package. Cannot decide. Okay, define the property. Release or debug. Huh. How do I do that? Let's see. Hell yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool music. Specifically the Necrotafeo, whatever. Did you play through Borderlands 3? Oh shit, right. Hey, it's been a long time, don't judge me. Grain small. Wait, where am I supposed to add this? To the bottom. Much higher. Okay. And I just put it at the top. Can I put this anywhere I want? Why is the annotation fucked? Oh, wait. I have to put it in... here. But I don't understand. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, do I do this and then wait, no. Oh Jesus fuck. Okay, we can set conditions like that. Oh well, so what have you been up to lately? Just out of curiosity. Oh, that's nice. Hell yeah. Probably gonna move soon as well, because I'm literally living inside of a basement. Which is not too bad, but it has its problems. Nice. Yeah, that's such a classic thing. Dude, I had so many problems with my internet over the years. ISPs are just fucked. I mean, it's not their fault, but that's just such a classic thing to happen. They really are. I try to switch to another ISP and then they are like, oh yeah, you can do that next year, because they when you go via telephone cable thingy, the contracts have to last at least 2 years. It really is. Can't even change if they suck. I mean, you can, it's just gonna take a while. Okay, I see. I understand now. Fuck all that. What I need is this, and then this with a debug and load. It should work now. At least it should. Yeah, it's not complaining anymore. But now the question is, do we still dynamically link? Because I think we do. Debug. Yes, we do. So to prevent this, I am going to set it to... Oh! That's fucking sick, dude. They have like an extra use static libraries. Hell yeah. Easy. Does not include static. Okay. Oh, that's so sweet. No such follow directory. What? And now that I set it to static, it can't find it. Cannot open file. Excuse me. Okay. If I set it back, does it work again? Probably not. Would be weird. And it does. Why? Why? Oh. I may have an idea. VC package. VC. How to spell that shit? PKG. Install static. I think I have it installed as dynamic only. Yes. PowerShell. Whoops. VC package install zydi 64 Windows static. Nope. Did I misspell or? Ha. Well, that's dumb. What? I've literally done this before. Ah, well. Oh, I didn't add it to my path. But who cares? Who needs a path variable when you know where you put it? Do I? Let's see. Is it here? Yes! Here we go. Convenience is overrated anyway. Oh, shut up. Here we go. Or maybe not invalid triplet. Wait, didn't I just see this inside of the post? Excuse me. Oh, I forgot an axe. Whoops. Okay, now I should be able to set it back to static. Video game music is awesome for streams because they are just kind enough to not claim people, mostly. Huh. Visible confusion. What? So annoying. I just wanna write code, not do this dumb shit. Yeah, that's not a sample project. It's not what I need to see. Examples? Or is that's just the same thing? Here's a kernel example, but doesn't tell me how it's compiled. Okay. I'm gonna go pee. Be right back. Right. What if I do this? Yeah. Okay. Is it dynamically linked? It is. There's so much shit in here. Okay, this should be static. Excuse me. Is it not? Am I tripping? It's not. I'm actually talking shit. Oh yeah, that's multi-threaded DLL, I think. No, that's this. I don't fucking know. That's also the same. It's all the same. Why? And if I do this, it will just refuse again. Oh, well, that's a start. I mean, it can find it. Can find the enclaves at least. Can I basic package compile kernel mode? Need to compile it for the kernel or tell it to do that for me. C++ toolchains are just the worst thing that has ever happened. Alright, then I'm just gonna go the manual route. Here we go. Yeah, did I clone this already somewhere? I did not. Time to get it done. Clone this. Oh. Here we go. And it's done. And we do MSVC. Open the repo. Oh, that's not the right Visual Studio version. Yes, I do wish to access it. Open it with 219. And open. Wait, can I? Oh, not a folder. Need to open this MSVC, and here we go. So, yes, debug kernel with MD. What's the difference between MD and MT? MSVC, MD versus MT. I know that MT stands for multi-threaded. Ah. Okay, that's just referring to the C++, no, yeah, to the runtime version, whatever. Debug kernel. Yeah, of course we need kernel. Oh fuck. Do we need a different... Oh no. Yeah, I might be able to just change that. What's my version? Also, where did the music go? It's over. I see. Why is that like way louder? Where did I set this? Wouldn't it be in the linker? Because I don't see it. Driver settings, maybe? Okay, I mean, here we have a framework, but why do I set the version of the framework? Hmm. Also, I don't want to save the changes. No. All configurations. That was just a bad idea. Change that back. Oh. Yeah, let's set it to the default. Sweet. Here we go. Oh, of course, it depends on the Windows version, I think. Yes, does look like it, but for the Windows driver model we have to use a specific one. Why, this is also doing the latest one. Yeah, never mind, I guess. I'm gonna do this. I don't know if that does anything. It doesn't. Oh, wait. Oh. Yeah, that's not true. Okay, yeah. That's correct. Fuck. Librarian. What is this? I mean, that looks pretty correct to me. Oh, right. No. Here we go. And see if there's anything different. Literally anything at all. Nope. Windows kernel mode driver 10. Wait. Where's my Windows driver kit? Windows driver kit install location. Okay. Well, that looks correct. So maybe you just can't find it, but it is still there, and I need to point it there. And gonna look up this version number, and it's the Windows 11 one. That's what I suspected. Gonna get some water. Because Windows versioning can't get its shit together. I'll try if it helps if I just uninstall this. Why is this still open? It probably just needs closing when it's done. Yes, please close. meantime, here's pictures of cats. Very cute. No! Fuck off. Monkey on the car. Fuck off. Ten 0 to 2. Wait, what? How the fuck are you getting the 22 one? Why? Why? What? Easy. Just trial and error on my way through. Okay. Where's the build? The build. Woo. Okay, two options. I include this into the solution, but it's already a solution, so it's gonna be a pain, and I'm just not going to do that. Yeah, I'm gonna copy the library file. But also I'm wondering how I'm gonna get to the includes. I'm just gonna make kind of like do both solutions. I have a dependency thing. in here, going to put zydis. And I'll just add it to the include path. That makes sense. Actually, yeah, kind of. Yeah, fuck it, let's go. I need PowerShell, and actually I'm gonna go up and do git submodule add this. Can I just... Is there a separate repository? No. What else? Inside depths, zydis. Oh shit, right. Already did that once. Here we go. Oh, come on. Really? Oh. Yeet. And also I just remembered I will have to modify this, I think. Or maybe I can get away with not doing that. Stop opening 2022. If you're wondering why I'm not using 2022, it is not supported for driver development. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. I really don't want to modify it. Nah, I'm gonna do it anyway. Actually, it should be fine for a submodule. Okay, so now what we can do is go back into our scuffed configuration. Yes, yes. And we don't care about this anymore. Nope. Not using this. Oh, we're not even on the correct thing. Yeah, here we go. And oh. Huh. Anyway. We need linker and additional dependencies. Zydi's library. I think it's called that. If not, I'm gonna have to go back and change it. And we need additional library directories. Deps, Zydi's, MSVC, bin, kernel. Here we go. Easy. And then for the headers, I think it's in C++, yes. Additional include, no, that's actually fine. Just gonna have to change it a little bit. Where were we again? Here. Yeah, instead of just saying. Wait, no. No, I'm gonna do this properly. Additional includes. And we go dependencies, Zydi's include. Here we go. Wait, this should not be. This should not be an absolute path. Oh God, Jesus Christ. Or maybe not. Excuse me. Okay, it evidently cannot find the library. Maybe because it's uppercase? Why is this? Oh God. I'm gonna keep it like this for a second, because that way we can be sure that the path is correct. But we'll need to remove the absolute path. Why? Tell me why. Oh no. Is it? I think it's using the VC package one. Fuck. Okay, we are getting there. So the thing is, we have to include this, but if I do it that way, it will think I'm referring to the VC package thing. Goodbye. Goodbye. See if that works. I don't think so. You know what? Since we don't need it anymore, just delete the directory. We need to remove the integration. Here we go. Oh wait, we still have an elevated one in the correct path. Boom. And also oh god, that's way too many windows. Also, I'm just gonna make sure that it doesn't detect any libraries from there. Wait, no, that's not what I wanted to open. Alright. Now we can try to add this as an additional library. Where the fuck did we just get sent to? Here we go. And why would it be absolute? Why can you not open it? confuse me. Oh, that's... Oh, of course. But where's the zycore include? Is that not in the... Is that not in here? It isn't. How am I supposed to use this? What? Okay then. Oh, do I have to... Hold on a second. Are they not compiled together? I don't understand. Did I... What? Just what? Dependencies. Oh, that's a submodule. So... Gonna have to get the submodules because I did not pull recursively. Is that how I do it? Or do I have to do it in the... Hey, there we go. Okay then. Hey, that's what we need. Oh, and now we can compile this one as well. Hey, sweet. Oh yeah, I should just change it for the whole thing. I can't do that. But who cares, we don't need examples. Wait, oh, okay. I got confused for a second, because I did not expect that to work. This is just so dumb. It just doesn't end. And me. Wait, I can see it. Oh, did I include it wrong? Did I do 1 slash too many? No, I didn't. Why are you like this? This is gonna be 2 hours of me fighting with Visual Studio and dependencies. What? I am pretty damn sure I'm just including the wrong thing. How about... What's in there? I wanna see. Excuse me. Why can it not find it? That's not even in there. What does it mean? Dude. How? Wait, are you joking? You're telling me this? Oh yeah. Oh, never mind. Because we are just inside the solution, it will probably exist up here. I'm just gonna open the whole thing in VS Code and then search it. Here we go. Wait, what? Whoa, 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 whoa. Are we actually getting bamboozled? Oh no. Oh, it's all been working. I'm just literally using the wrong types. Wait a second. V4? Have I been using V3 before? No, whatever. What? Well, that doesn't work. It's cringe. What's your problem now? Too few arguments. Oh yeah, probably have to use this different way. Decoder. Decoder. Buffer length. Wait, buffer? So the website uses old things as well. Wait, so is the GitHub version actually the most up-to-date one? Oh, the GitHub version was correct. Hey. Max operation count visible. Well, that's new. Interesting. I don't think we need a full decoder. See what the options are. Okay, so Decodes instruction. Okay. So what does it mean by instruction? Does that mean it doesn't decode the operands? Are they included in the... Oh, okay then. Weird. Are they included in the thing? Jesus Christ. In the length. Nothing was found. Oh right, because this documentation is outdated. Why are you like this? Can I open my own Doxygen? Nah, I'm kind of too lazy. Fuck it. Zydis. Coder, code full. Fuck, right. No, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try just decoding the instruction. What's your problem? We need a context as well. Where does the context go? Second parameter. Wait, isn't the first one a context as well? How do I make this context thing? Okay, wait. Ha. Okay, so the instruction length includes everything. Now I might use this, actually. It's kind of verbose though. Okay, let's try to make a decoder context. Oh. Does this thing need initializing? Can I just do this, then do that, and call today? Well, let's see. Oh yeah. Goodbye. Actually, goodbye whole thing. don't need you anymore. How do I do this? Here we go. Oh no. You're joking. You're fucking joking. Nope. Additional library directories. That's exactly what I'm doing. And an input, let me put the stupid libraries. Ah, God, my brain is melting. I'll figure it out, but for now, that's good enough. Gonna go do something else for a while. Maybe I'll go for a walk. Yeah. just in case I misspelled, but I didn't. Alright, goodbye for now. You have a wonderful day. Goodbye.